Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the FedEx application. Now, if you open up the FedEx application on your device, you will find the option to log out from within as well. However, this might still save some of your login information. So in order to prevent this, long press on the FedEx application and then tap on the info button. You will now be taken into the application info page for FedEx. Now, first tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the app. Then you can scroll down and tap on Storage. From the Storage menu, you will see Clear Data at the bottom left corner. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on the Delete button. And now this will clear all of your user data for the FedEx app on your phone, which means you will be completely logged out and none of your login information will be saved. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the FedEx app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.